everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code or VS Code on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So let's get started. Now open your favorite web browser. Mine is Brave, so type in the address bar, type Visual Studio Code, download. Alright, so we're going to download our Visual Studio Code. Now select this first website address, select it. You need to open the official website to download Visual Studio Code. Now we are going to select this option because we are going to download this for our Windows PC. If you are on Mac, you can download it for Mac, and Linux and Ubuntu, you can download for any of them. So we are going to download for Windows, so we'll click on Windows. So it will automatically download. It will send you a prompt, then you click on download, or it will automatically download it for you, and then you continue from there. Okay, so you can see this Windows Explorer, this window, because I'm using an extension called IDM, that's Internet Download Manager. So as soon as the download is done, we are going to get to installing Visual Studio Code on our PC. Alright, so some few seconds more. Alright, so it's done. So we are going to go to our Windows Explorer on your PC. Now go to Downloads and then go to Programs. Now when you open the Programs folder, you can find the setup here. So we are going to double click on the setup to launch it. So let's get our Visual Studio Code installed. Okay, so this is our setup. It has launched, so I'm going to minimize this window so that we can have to see this. Alright, so we'll go to accept the agreements and go to next. Now this is the local location where the Visual Studio Code will be installed on your PC. So you click on next. So Visual Studio Code. So if you want to create a start menu folder, you can select this option, but in this tutorial we are not going to do that. So I'm going to click on next. Now it's going to say create a desktop icon. Yes, of course we need it. I'm going to create a desktop icon. Now add open with code action to the Windows File Explorer context menu. So if you want this option, you can just select it. If you want this option, you can just select it, but we are not going to go into this, so I'm just going to click on next, then install. So we are getting our Visual Studio Code installed on our PC. So it will just take some few seconds to finish the whole installation process. Then we'll have our Visual Studio Code successfully installed on our PC. So let's give it some few minutes and it's going to be done. Yes. Okay, so it's done. We can see our shortcut created, and then it says launch Visual Studio Code. Yes, let's launch Visual Studio Code. We are done. Let's launch it and see how it's going to look like. Oh, okay, so this is our Visual Studio Code downloaded for us. So you can see this is our Visual Studio Code downloaded. So from here you have your Visual Studio Code downloaded, and you can do any other installations or any other integrations you add to it. Alright, thank you.